5 little known facts about the new platform called Clubhouse and really what your business must know about Clubhouse. Yes, it's your girl, Kim Ward. If you're new to my page and my profile, it's a pleasure to meet you. Fired up, as always. So, as we prepare for our conversation today, let me know if you are currently on Clubhouse. All right? I want to know who's there. I want to follow you. I want to support you. Is I help infuse you with the confidence that you need to show up authentically to build your business. And with a very simple 3-step formula, I help you strategize your business, get you into action so that you build a profitable and authentic business around your family. So you don't have to choose between one or the other. Are you on Clubhouse? Yes or no? Just let me know so I can kind of gauge where we're at with the new amazing platform. I want to share 5 little known things that I've been able to really kind of pick apart and decide like, okay, this is an effective piece of Clubhouse and really what your business needs if you're wondering if this Clubhouse thing is right for you. So number 1 is that Clubhouse is an audio only platform. I've literally waited years for an audio only platform. Hallelujah. It is finally here. And so the cool thing is if you've got one of these bad boys, you plug in your headphones. Ladies, there's no need to do your hair and makeup. If you want to walk around, you can do it. But honestly, it gives you that opportunity to have your voice be heard. And I know that there's a lot of people, especially entrepreneurs, who are still a little reluctant and hesitant, maybe even fearful, to do a Facebook Live or videos. So this is a great opportunity for you to start to strengthen that muscle, build that confidence, and work your way into maybe video marketing. Number 2 is this is imperative that you know this. I've had so many people come to me because they see that I'm active, I'm getting recognition, I'm earning my invitations, and I'm offering them out to people. But what you should know is that as of right now, Clubhouse is still in beta, and it's only available to iOS users. So if you have an iPhone, you are able to join Clubhouse. So you need some kind of iOS operating system to be able to join Clubhouse at this time. I think maybe once it's out of beta, you're going to see the ability to join as an Android user. So I'm playing on the platform. I'm earning my invitations so that when that opens up, I can invite you. I can invite my friends. So really important to know, when you do join Clubhouse, you have the opportunity to create your bio. And that is a very, very critical piece to your success on Clubhouse, because as you're networking, as you're speaking, as you're moderating rooms, one thing that a very good moderator does is they encourage you as a listener or as a participant to tap on the faces of the speakers or the people in the room. And this makes more sense if you've seen what Clubhouse looks like. You're able to tap on their face even during the conversation and take a look at that person's bio. You're able to see this person's bio and if their vibe, their energy, what they do is relevant to you, and then you can follow them. Okay, we're in the game of networking. This is what we do. And so your bio is a very critical piece to building an audience, building an engaged audience, and looking for referrals, right? So if you look at my bio, it's set up, it's structured with flair, with emojis, with happiness. But you go to my Clubhouse bio and it says right there, boom, certified master transformation coach, right? It tells people what I do, helping you eliminate those hidden barriers. A lot of times that's your mental garbage, your mindset, your beliefs, your subconscious programming, your patterns. I'm going to help you, boom, get rid of all of that so you can dive into your confidence, into your authenticity, and build a profitable business in less time than had you done. So the bio, if you have things that you want to promote, this is a great opportunity to provide value to your audience and then showcase that on your bio. So set your bio up for success. Let the world know what you do. If you scroll further down in my bio, you're going to see that I'm the founder and the CEO of a nonprofit for suicide prevention. We are ending the stigma around mental health. So now I'm opening up my ability to speak to different audiences on different topics. Right? So showcase all of those areas that make you, you. Number 4, Clubhouse links to Instagram and Twitter as of right now. So what you really want to do is take a few intentional moments to head over to your Instagram profile and Twitter if you're using it, right? Don't overwhelm yourself. If you're not on Twitter, don't go creating a Twitter thing and creating more work for yourself. This is about utilizing what you already do. Okay. I don't like the word overwhelmed because it is a perception. In my opinion, overwhelmed doesn't exist. If you are only focused on one thing at a time, how can you be overwhelmed? Just a personal feeling. And we as humans, we can only effectively focus on one thing at a time. So slow and steady wins the race, focused and intentional. Don't create more work for yourself. So if you're on Instagram, if you're on Twitter, take a few moments just to intentionally go through your bio, look at your profile. What does it link to? Is it updated? Is it current? Is it relevant? Because then now you're going to, obviously your Instagram and your Twitter are going to reflect your brand, your personality, your energy, and of course the value that you're putting out into the world. So you want to make sure that you're set up for success and that the people who do find you through networking, that it's pristine because it's relevant to them. And if it's not, and you're still out there with your energy and your networking and you're doing your thing, they're going to refer you without you having to come out and ask for the referral, right? They're going to be like, damn, this girl, she's on fire. You got to share this. You got to like this. You got to check this girl out. People are always sharing things. So link your stuff to Twitter, if you're using it, to Instagram when you're ready. That way, you're going to start to grow your followers organically. The more you're visible on the platform, the more you're networking, the more you're providing value. Tip number 5 is to collaborate. Collaborate. And I know that might be a foreign thing, especially because we are entrepreneurs. We're trying so hard to build this business for your family, for your future, for the future generation. I get it. I get it. We are not in competition, boo. Okay. We have to realize there is so much room on the party bus. Celebrate each other, lift each other up, and helping you build that authenticity muscle. That is what I love to do because we don't have the same story. We don't have the same energy. We don't have the same tribe. We can't attract all of the people, but together by locking arms and collaborating, now we have a fighting chance to reach more people. People now connect with that. You might have an audience that's like, that girl's crazy. I don't like that Kim Ward, right? But the people who are around me, they're like, I love that bitch, right? So together, when we collaborate and we fill our audience's cup, bam. So I want you to collaborate. The more you play on the app, the more you're visible, the more you're a moderator, the more you're spreading nuggets, spreading value, you're going to earn your invites. So go play on Clubhouse, go have some fun. Let's collab. If you're on Clubhouse, I do want you to drop your handle. I don't know what it's called. I'm going to call it a handle. All right. It's a handle. Drop your handle. Let's follow each other. Let's support each other. Let's share the love. Let's impact people. We need that so much right now. I want the happiness. I want the financial. I want the spiritual. I want it all. I want the physical. I want the mental. I'm going to help you get there. You are amazing. And I'll see you over on Clubhouse. Have a great day. Bye for now.